going on, guys? Diego with Ocean Atlantic Rentals. Going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up our canvas umbrellas. Alright, first step is just shake the umbrella and let it fall open so it doesn't snag. Put your second piece in, upright it, all the way up to the clip, up and over the top. Two methods are you can rock it back and forth into the ground, or a popular one is to swirl it into the sand, driving it down. I like to get pretty far down the stake before I stop, and then pack it in around the base, making sure you're angling it into the wind. Angle it into the wind. One thing that we don't recommend doing is driving it in with the hammer. It works some of the times, but not as well as the swirl or the rocking back and forth. We're stoked to be here in Kill Devil Hills. Remember, always swim near a lifeguard.